Welcome to this video, where we will explore how to hide your online status inside the Strava application. In this guide, I will show you the exact steps directly from your phone so you can protect your privacy and control. First, open the Strava app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom and tap on the U icon on the right side. Then, take a look at the upper part of the screen and tap the Settings icon. After that, scroll down and select Privacy Controls. Then select Messaging from the list that appears. Now you will see an option called Online Status. Finally, turn off Online Status to hide when you are active inside the app. Once you switch it off, your contacts will no longer see your real-time online activity, giving you more privacy and control while using the app. If you found this explanation helpful, consider subscribing to the channel, liking the video, and sharing it with others.